Natural History Museum is very small, so don't expect something unusual. There are 2 floors. At the beginning you will meet very wide screen with some movie from BBC World. Ice period, yes, Ice Age period. Yeah, you can see different animals from that time. Why the museum is very small? Because it was under the reconstruction during the nearest maybe 10 or 15 years, and it was opened, I don't remember, 2018 or 19 or 20, so not so far away before. Yes, and because before it was old Soviet Union style museum, but now some years ago, as I said, it was renovated a little bit, and 2 or 3 halls were opened. So first hall, it's located on another floor. As I said, it's dedicated to the Ice Age period. Different bones, different animals, not so full, not so many exhibits, but there are. For example, some our ancient houses, buildings. I think bones are natural, and by the way, some small screen, especially for children, to build up. For example, hippopotamus or another animals at that age. I think bones are natural. Regarding fur, also natural, but I'm not sure it's refers to the time or not. Okay, yeah, it's natural. It's not artificial. Maybe it refers to deers, but I cannot tell you. Another hall is dedicated mostly to the ecological problem, to creatures or animals of local area. Yes. Generally, I spoke with some employee of this museum, and the lady told me that there are a lot of exhibits, but there are mostly, in some figures in shells and so on under the dust, and just to create a modern museum, it needs some investment. I think these first 3 halls they were renovated lately, and we see the result. It's very good, but to regret, due to the war of 2022, the renovating process of this museum was stopped temporarily. So I think in 2024, 2025, I hope this museum will be renovated, and it will be not less magic or not less excellent like the leading European museums, because they have a lot of main funds, but they need just investment. So, Natural History Museums of Lviv.